Hi, welcome to Julia's Crafting Space. In this video, I will give you a tutorial on how to make a burlap wreath using the folding method. You will need burlap, a frame, and these flower pins that everything is from Hobby Lobby. And scissors, of course. So this burlap, I got it from Hobby Lobby for 50% off. You don't need 3 rows. You will actually need 1 full row of the orange one and a little bit more of the second orange row, and just a little bit of the green, maybe half or less than half. I'm gonna start off by folding from the top and going to the bottom, making a triangular shape. After you do that, you're gonna cut it, and then you will fold it in 2 like I did here, and then you start pinning. Another method you can do is you can remove the plastic from the frame and you can glue all the burlap around it. That way you can start pinning directly to the burlap. I didn't want to use that method. This is more easier for me, but I know some people do the different method I told you. So what I do when I finish my whole pinning, I just turn it to the back and then glue all the remaining burlap to cover the straw hay. So you will be repeating this process and make about, I believe it's 5 pieces on each row. It's very simple. It just takes a little bit of time. It's a lot of repetition. So when I'm folding the burlap, you see there's a gap in the middle. If you make it tighter, it will look a little smaller. It looks a little different. It just depends on what you prefer. So if you make it tighter, you probably need a little more rows of this burlap. You can also wear gloves because pinning might be a little hard sometimes on your fingers. It's a very strong straw hay I'm using here. So last year I used this method and I made it actually bigger. I don't remember the size, maybe 18 inches. I think it was 18 inches. And this measures 10 inch. So it's a small pumpkin that I'm making here. If you follow my Instagram, you can see a picture of the larger burlap wreath that I made. Or I might post a picture after this video. Also, I would like to take the time to say thank you to all the new subscribers. I've noticed I have a few new subscribers here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like my videos, and let me know what other type of videos you would like to see. Different craftings, or if you would like to just see wreath tutorials, different methods. I know I haven't posted a deco mesh style wreath. I will probably do that sometime this month or the next. I do have a lot of deco mesh in my craft room that I need to use, so I will probably do one for Halloween or fall and do a tutorial for you guys to see. Also, when you're pinning your burlap here, try to cover the pin with the burlap so it's not showing. so much. I know on the sides it's gonna show a little bit, but try to cover as much as you can. Also, don't forget to follow me on TikTok. I do make quick tutorials there, quick little fun tutorials, and it's just faster for me to post there. I don't have to edit as much. So with the orange burlap, you're gonna use about half of the frame, or a little bit over half, and then on top you will add the green burlap, which represents like the leaves of the pumpkin. And there's a lot of ways you can decorate this pumpkin. You can use leaves, like regular leaves, and decorate it. You can use like different colors of leaves. There's a lot of different styles. I just did all burlap. Also, if you try any of my tutorials, if you can please tag me on your photos on Instagram, I would love to see those. Sometimes I do giveaways on my Instagram, so make sure to follow my Instagram. My Instagram is wreaths by Julia. I will make sure to post a link to my social media down below on the description of the video. Maybe when I get more followers here on YouTube, I will do a YouTube giveaway. So on the last wreath I made, well, not the last one, but the last of this method, the pumpkin wreath, I did add a bow on the side, like on the top left side. I ended up giving that away. I used it as a giveaway on my Instagram. A lot of people like that one. And there's a lot of styles you can use this. You can do like a patriotic wreath and use the red, white, and blue colors, net stars. You can do Christmas. You can, like, there's many different colors. As long as you find the different colors of burlap, you can do many styles. So now I'm adding the green burlap. As you can see, it's just going to be a small piece of the frame. So it's the same method, just fold, and this is the back. So make sure to cover the back. Again, this is the supplies that I used. Everything is from Hobby Lobby. Make sure to get it when it's on sale. This is the end result of my wreath. I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe and give a like to this video. See you on the next one.